Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your MGC 5x5. I have everything that I need laid out in front of me. I have my towel to clean the cube. I have my screwdriver to disassemble it and reassemble it and pick proper tensions. I have my lubricants so that I can make the spring noise non-existent, because that is one of the flaws with this cube. It does have a lot of spring noise. So let's go. Alright, so I've set aside everything because the first thing that we need to do is disassemble it. So the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to just pull and try and get the edge out. The tensions are pretty loose, so yeah, that was pretty easy. Just gonna disassemble it, nothing special. If you don't know how to do this, you're probably a beginner, and I don't really know what to say to you. Go watch some disassembling tutorial if you need that, but I'm just going to be disassembling it. So here are all the pieces, and I'm not going to be working with these yet. I'm going to set these aside so that I can start working on the core. So I'm going to remove all of these center caps, just like this. These screws themselves do not have that much dirt on them, so I will not be cleaning them. They do have like a little bit of lubricant, not very much, but there's some spring noise, and I would expect that. I'm going to clean this with a towel, just like this. It's nothing special, and I'll get back to you once I've done that. Okay, so the way that this core is made, I'm just going to actually lube the screw and the spring while it's still connected to the core. It's less of a hassle, and I don't think that I even need to take it apart because I can just reach this with my weight sticks, which I will be using. Very easy, just like this. Okay, so I'm just going to lube the screw itself. Camera's shaking a little bit, but I'm gonna lube the top of the screw, and I'm gonna try and get a bit on the spring, and this will get rid of all spring noise, hopefully. I can also get some on the washer there, always good, and that is pretty good. Alright, so I've repeated that with all the pieces, and now I'm gonna set this to the side, and we're gonna have to work with the actual pieces themselves now. This cube was already pretty dry out of the box, and I don't think I need to go too in depth with the cleaning of this cube, so I'm actually just going to use this towel right here to just briefly wipe off the pieces, because as I said, there's not that much lube in there. It's pretty dry. Alright, finally, there we go. I am done cleaning all of the pieces. Now I need to assemble everything, and you guys probably don't want to watch that, so I'm just going to copy Cube Solve Hero. Now I need to add some lubricant to the pieces. So here I have Comet from SpeedCube Shop, their new lube that they released on Black Friday, and I have Martian, also from SpeedCube Shop. I'm going to do 3 drops in each layer of Comet, and I'm going to do 2 drops of Martian in each of the layers. So 4 drops for this one, and 6 drops for this one. Alright, so I'm starting with Martian. I'm going for 2 drops in this layer. So that is 1, that is 2, and now I'm going to repeat that with this layer. So I need 1 drop, and that is 2 drops. So that's what I'm gonna add, and I'll probably just break this in a little bit. Alright, that's actually all the Martian I'm going to add. I'm not gonna add any more. The amount of Comet that I use may change depending on how it feels at the end, but I'm going to start with 3 drops in each layer. So here we have the child-proof caps. I'll take that off. This is a lot more stringy and has new nozzles or whatever. So I'm going to go for 3 drops. It's a little bit hard to put. So that's 1, I think. I'm gonna hold it like that. Okay, I've added 3 drops in each of the layers. I'm now going to just do a few turns, and that has made it a little bit more heavy, which was in the description of the lube, and it's definitely doing that. I'm getting some pops because this is not tensioned properly. This is very loose, and I just added a lube. So I think right now I should probably just tighten it a bit. Okay, that is starting to feel more normal after tightening it. So if I try and corner cut, still doing that loose thing, and it's also hard to turn because there's lube on the outside. So I'm just gonna break it in and adjust the tensions to what I need it to be. All right, this cube is done being set up. I just tensioned it. I didn't have to add any extra lube, but it feels really nice now. It already felt nice out of the box, but now it just feels extra nice. I solved all the problems that this cube had. It was a bit uncontrollable and it felt really dry. This feels nice and controllable and fast at the same time, and it also had some spring noise, and I also fixed that by lubing the core. If you like this video, please like and sub, and also bye.